Hello, hello. I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabView and Multisim. In this video, we will learn how can we install the USRP B210, and we will see what software is essential to use or to connect USRP B210 with a Windows-based PC. And if you want to use software-defined radio platform USRP B210 with the LabView, so we will see what software we need to install, and step by step we will try to understand how we can install and how we can connect. So let's start. So first of all, you have to install the LabVIEW. In this PC, I had installed the LabVIEW 2022 version. So first of all, you have to install the LabVIEW 32 bit. The LabVIEW, you have to install the LabVIEW. So I had installed the LabVIEW 2021, sorry, LabVIEW 2022 32 bit. I had installed here. Sorry, just a second. Pardon? Okay. We had installed using that pen drive, right? Yes. So LabVIEW 2022 I had installed here. Then after that, you have to install USRP software. You have to search here and you have to install NIUSRP. NIUSRP. I installed NIUSRP. That's why I'm getting this remove option. NIUSRP 2022 Q4. And you can see here other portion I don't need to install because they are already installed. Okay. Because the current version I had installed here. So first LabVIEW you have to install. Second one is the NIUSRP. उसके बाद after that you have to search here modulation toolkits. NI modulation toolkit. LabVIEW modulation toolkit, and you have to install the current version of NI modulation toolkit, or you can install the similar version of your LabVIEW. Like अगर आपके पीसी में LabVIEW 2022 है, so you can install the NI modulation 2022. Okay, so these are the three softwares which you have to install. Now, when you will install perfectly everything, after that you can search here LabVIEW. You can search here LabVIEW, so you will get LabVIEW 2022 Q3. Okay, if you will install LabVIEW 2023, LabVIEW 2021, or LabVIEW 2024, so you will get the same version LabVIEW on your PC. On the basis of the same version, you have to install the NI USRP software, and you have to install NI USRP software first, and second you have to install the modulation toolkit. Now, after the successful installation, you have to reboot your PC. After the rebooting, when you will open your PC, so you have to search NI USRP configuration utility. NI USRP configuration utility is very important. Your system is able to detect NI USRP configuration utility or not, that you can check only and only using the NI USRP configuration utility. You want to use your USRP अगर connect करना है and you want to check your system is able to connect or communicate with the USRP or not, so you can use NI configuration utility. Okay, if you will not get any USRP on configuration utility, so again you have to close and again you have to reopen NI configuration utility. Okay, make sure if you have installed properly NI USRP drivers, modulation toolkits, and LabVIEW, so you will get your USRP here 100%. Okay, now there is okay, there is two different things. If you are using the National Instruments direct USRP, like National Instruments 92, okay, 29002901 USRP, and okay, here I am going to show uh, NIVS Ettus USRP. Okay, NI and Ettus USRP. Now you can see here. If you are using the National Instruments USRP, these are the NI USRP and these are the Ettus Research USRP. Both are the National Instruments product, but it is a Ettus is an open platform. So suppose you are using the NI USRP 2900, so it will easily detect it. It will easily detect it. You no need to connect any third-party platform, or you no need to connect any other hardware software. It will easily detect it. Okay. But B210 is same like USRP 2901. Okay. So now, if you are using connecting B210, you want to connect the B210 with your PC, and if you are not getting the USRP B210, okay, so you have to open and check your device manager first. So you have to open here and search device manager. Device manager. When you will open your device manager and you will try to check option. Okay, look at here. You will get the universal bus controller software here, and after that you will get the USB. Okay, connector manager. So it is also USB. It is also USB. Here we are not getting any USRP drivers. Now you can see here other drivers. Now you can see there is one option is present. Other drivers. Yes, other devices, right. Other devices is there. Here we are not getting any device, okay, any driver, any device related to the USRP. So now you can see the other devices here. Okay, that means our system is not able to recognize the particular, okay, framework, the particular device framework, because USRP B210 has their own framework architectures, and our system is not able to recognize that architectures. That's why our this USB is not able to connect and communicate with the USRP B210. So what we can do here? So for that, you have to come on this page now. USRP hardware drivers and USRP menu. You have to open this page, USRP hardware driver and USRP manual. I will put this link, okay, this link on my comment section or my description box, so you can directly click and you can open it. Now look at here. Install the USB driver Windows. This one is important for us. Install the USB drivers Windows, okay? Because here I am using the Windows PC, Windows 11 based PC, so this portion is important, and only this portion is important for us. Only this portion. So first of all, we need to open and we need to download the, okay, UHD part. So for that, right click, you have to and open. Okay, right click and open in new window. When you will click and open it in new window, so it will take few seconds. Okay, when you will click here, so you will get this drivers. Now you can see here the drivers. Okay, again, when I will click here, so it will download the driver automatically. Now let's go and open the location. Now I had downloaded the driver, okay, and I am getting this driver on my download section. First cut here and take it, first cut here and place in any known location. Known location means inside document this B210 folder we have designed, I have designed. So inside that I am going to place here. It is my known location. If someone will ask me where you have installed the UHD, so I can say it's present under the download section and B210 under the B200 drivers. Yes, document B210 drivers. सही है? आप यहाँ पर इसको डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर B210 में मैंने स्टोर किया हुआ है. सो आई कैन से कि मैंने ड्राइवर्स को यहाँ इंस्टॉल करके रखा है. क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव टू एक्सट्रैक्ट. अब हमें इसे एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है एंड एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है विद द सेम नेम. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं इट्स एक्सट्रैक्टेड वेरी वेल. Let's open. So when you will open, so you can see here it is okay, USD B100, 200, 210 and others are there. Okay, now let's go and let's see how can we use this driver to communicate with our USRP. After this, इसके बाद you have to come, आपको आना है, you have to come in a device manager. So how you can open the device manager? Just here and search device manager. Open the device manager. In this device manager, when you will come here, so you will get other devices. Click on the other devices, right click, okay, okay, USRP update drivers. Click on the update drivers, okay, search, okay, automatically, and below browse, mm, okay, browse my computer or drivers, okay. So here I am going to browse. So let's browse it. So location is document B210 drivers. Okay. After that, press next. Close it. Now you can see USRP Ettus research. Okay. B200 or B210 is present here. You will not find that okay unknown drivers or unknown device option here. Now it's enabled here. Now you can now your computer is now your computer is ready to communicate with B210 hardware. Now I'm going to close all this thing. Let's close it and again open. Okay, just a second. Yes, now you can see here my this PC is able to recognize my drivers. Suppose after this, suppose after all this setup, if your PC will not able to recognize your drivers, so then restart your computer once. Okay, you restart your computer once. After the restart, definitely you will get your your system will able to recognize your drivers. बस एक बार रिस्टार्ट कर दो उसके बाद आपका सिस्टम आपके ड्राइवर्स को रिकॉग्नाइज कर पाएगा. So it is a complete way and complete procedure to download and install USRP B210 with LabVIEW. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.